Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Farthest Frontiers game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on the arrow icon over here. Now you can see Steam option, right click on it and click on exit. So this will exit from Steam. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. So after doing this step, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, you have to select your game. Now here I am showing you an example. Now after that, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if you can launch the game. Next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, again come back and under general, here you have to type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics driver. After that, make sure to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link provided in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now search for the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back. Now click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. After that, click on apply and OK, and then check if it fixes the problem. If the issue still continues, then again come back and select disable full screen optimization, then click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and see if this solution helps to resolve the problem. Next method is to allow Farthest Frontier through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall network protection, allow an app through Firewall. Click on change settings and then here you have to search for the game if it's listed over here. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse, then go to the game folder where a game has been installed, select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. So sometimes overclocking makes CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, then click on in-game. And here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that, try to play the game. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use. Select them. Now after selecting, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background and then try to play the game and see if it helps. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description, or you can simply search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and from here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install them. Now after installing, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on a check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows, now try to play the game. Next is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings, and here you should turn off real-time protection. If it is turned off, well and good, but if it is turned on, you have to turn it off. Once done, now go to the Windows search again, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then click on turn Windows Defender Firewall, and here you have to click on turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private and public network settings, and then click on OK, and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves. If not, again come back and click on turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings and click on OK, and after that check if you can launch the game. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, go through the link that I have provided in the description and open it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. Now once the file is downloaded, you have to install it. Once install is complete, restart your system. After restarting, again try to play the game and see if this problem helps to fix the issue. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. If not added, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select your game, and after that add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance. After selecting high performance, now launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Farthest Frontier game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After removing it, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall Farthest Frontier game once again, and then try to play the game and see if you can play it without any kind of errors or issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.